Hi, this is Dr. Selena Benavides. I'm sharing another quick and easy developmentally appropriate activity geared towards infants and toddlers. It may seem simple, but fabric sensory bins have a ton of benefits. Providing children the opportunity to play with different textures and fabrics supports language development when you label and describe the sensations.
How does it feel against your face?
It also strengthens children's small muscle movements or fine motor skills as children pinch, grab, and hold onto the materials. And we even see the refinement of this skill set as children work on removing the fabrics from the containers and can eventually advance to putting the material back into the bins themselves. Although some retailers sell these educational products, you can make your own using leftover scraps of material, ribbons, or scarves. And the more that you include different types of textures, the better. I reuse different bins from snacks in a tissue box, but baby white boxes are also great for this. And like with any other play, especially for young children, we want to make sure that they're closely supervised by adults, especially being mindful of materials that can accidentally cover a child's nose and mouth if left unattended. I hope this gives you ideas on how to support early learning and development on a budget by using simple household items.
You sharing with Mama? Oh.
If you'd like examples of more activities and educational strategies, make sure to follow me on Instagram or visit my website.